Hello everyone. So we are going in Delhi, Kamla Nagar for a makeup workshop. So there we will help people to understand how to do their own makeup, how to take care of their skin, how to choose right products. And I'm going with ma'am. So ma'am, I just want to ask you one thing. That is when I do my own makeup, I have this problem. I normally use red color in lipsticks, and according to my dress, according to the occasion, I don't know which color to put on my lips.
Make a U-turn.
So I always go for red. That's it.
Well, Kalpana, that's a very good question, and lot of people have asked me this question lot of time, and they have this problem of choosing the right lip shade according to their dress, and there are certain favorites of everybody. I have normally seen a dark brown and a dark maroon is the most favorite color for most of the Indian women, and they are very comfortable wearing that, and they don't like to experiment much. They just, whenever they come even for party makeups to the salons, or they come to the party makeup to us, they say okay, just put the brown and just put the maroon. And sometimes we guide them that they should try on different colors, because different colors bring out different mood. They bring out different character to the face. So I'll tell you what, it's always very good to experiment with different lip shades. I will give you three points which will help you decide the lip shade. So the 3 points which I want to tell you are, the first one, you choose your lip shade according to your skin tone. Now many people are warm tones and some are cool tones, and the third tone is the neutral tone. Also there are shades like lighter shade, medium shade and dark shade. According to the different shades of our skin and the different undertones which we have to choose the lip colors. In lip colors also we get, say for example, we say we like pink. So in pink also we have a cooler tone, we have a neutral tone, and we have a warm tone. So we have to decide on the correct lip shade, the correct lip tone according to our skin tone. The second point which I want to tell you is that we can choose our lip color according to the eye makeup which we do. So let's say if we are wearing a black dress, and in the black dress we end up doing our smoky eyes. So with the smoky eyes, we always like to balance the look with a nude or a neutral color lip color, so that our eyes are more prominent and our lips are subdued and they are balanced. But normally we have seen that lips are the one thing which brings out the glow on the face also. So if you feel that you can even go for bolder colors like red with a dark color eye makeup, then you can go for it. You will have to try that, but as a rule it's always preferable that we go for a nude color. But sometimes I have seen clients have darker lip colors, so for them nude does not work. They will have to use a darker lip shade. The third point which helps us in choosing our lip shade is our dress. Sometimes we keep our eye makeup very neutral, very subtle, and lip color is one thing which we emphasize on. In that case, I have seen in Indian skin tones, reds, browns, pinks, orange, they look very beautiful. And we can even go with mauves, light purples, and we can also go with pinks, darker pinks. Not only light pinks, but we can go for darker pinks. So these are some shades which normally work very well for Indian skin. Nowadays lot of nude colors are coming. So a nude lip color is basically the shade of the color should be lighter than your skin color. color, then make sure that your eyes are enhanced and your dress compensates for that nude thing, and it overall should gel with your overall look. If you are trying to build a very subtle look, then we can choose a nude for a pink or a brown, depending on what the shade of your dress is. Or we can then again choose a darker color if we are saying that okay, let's keep our eyes very natural, and say our dress is black but we want to go in for a red lipstick. That also works very fine.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for the information and for the knowledge you have given me. So now we are heading to Kamla Nagar for the workshop, and I'm really looking forward to it. In last workshop, the people were very excited, and let's see for today's workshop. I hope it will goes very well. And if you have any questions, please comment down below, and we'll be happy to help you and answer all your questions. See you in our next video.